Hello! If you are interested in what's new in Power BI after August update, stay with us. We will show you the three most interesting new features from the business perspective. The first new feature from the August update I want to show you is improved X constant line. Actually, this feature was available in the past versions of Power BI, but from now on we can add not only fixed frozen value put it from the keyboard, but also a measure. And there is not only a possibility to add this line, but also to format it as you wish, and a new feature adding a shade region before or after this line. I can imagine many ways to use this functionality, such as highlighting the current date when we show actual and target values on one chart, the beginning of the fiscal year, or indicating the average value, and so on. So from now on, we can call X constant line not constant, but dynamic. The second change from the August update I want to show you is the new formatting options when it comes to the shapes. As you can see, there is a lot of new options that have been added to the formatting tab, including rounded shapes and edges, changing the size of the arrowhead, and so on. Although I belong to the team make the background and all static elements in the PowerPoint so as not to burden the performance, I guess that many report authors will be pleased with using new formatting options. We all know that the more possibilities for free shaping, the better. It will help in more flexible design, structure and styling of the report pages. The third new feature is the new configuration settings, which are to optimize query performance when importing the data or when using direct query. Power BI offers two settings which impact this. Maximum number of simultaneous evaluation configures the level of parallelization for query execution, and maximum memory used per simultaneous evaluation. Till now, it was possible to change these settings only from the register, but from now on, you can control the available memory per simultaneous evaluation. When will you need to use this option? For example, when the data import is taking too long, or, on the other hand, when Power BI desktop is taking too much resources on your machine. As it was said, you can control those two parameters. The first is the number of simultaneous evaluation, and this by default is set on the maximum number, which is equal to the number of logical CPU cores on your machine. The minimum value here is 1 and the maximum value is equal to the number of logical CPU cores on your computer. And the second parameter is the maximum memory used per simultaneous evaluation, which configures the available memory per evaluation in megabytes. By default, Power BI has a maximum memory allocation per evaluation of 432 megabytes. The minimum value is 1, but the recommended minimum is 256. And the theoretical but not recommended maximum value is equal to 100% of your RAM on your machine divided by the maximum number of simultaneous evaluation. It is recommended never set this value higher than 90% of the RAM on your machine, in purpose not to kill your computer during the refreshing of the data. And that's all from our side when it comes to the August update. Thanks for watching this video.